Let's unbox the latest product from Honor, the Honor X70. Let's first take a look at its specifications. It comes in a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage configuration in the Phantom Night Black color. Let's open it up and take a look. This is the smartphone itself. Let's place it aside for now and examine what is contained within the phone packaging. It appears to be merely a manual, which might not be particularly useful, so you can set it aside. This seems to be the phone case. Let's proceed to open it and examine it closely. It's not the typical clear plastic case anymore. Instead, it's a silicone case featuring a skin-friendly texture, and it feels exceptionally pleasant. As for the charger, let's take a look. It actually comes with an 80-watt super-fast charger. In the past, only the Honor Magic series and the Honor Number series had this feature, but now it has been included in the X series, which is really impressive. Let's check out the phone. This color is remarkably beautiful, and it boasts a matte texture. The frame utilizes a right-angle design reminiscent of the Honor 40 series. It exudes an impressive, boss-like aura, neither excessively large nor too small, just perfectly proportioned. Let's examine its configuration in detail. Regarding the processor, this particular model is equipped with a 4th generation Snapdragon, which efficiently manages everyday usage and gaming activities without any problems. Furthermore, it operates on a 12G battery, which is presently among the largest available, boasting a capacity of 8300 mAh. The battery is very powerful. Let's thoroughly examine its audio quality. This still incorporates a dual speaker setup, delivering exceptional stereo sound quality and significantly more powerful audio. Let's verify if it possesses NFC capabilities. Oh indeed, it is equipped with NFC. This feature was consistently a point of criticism in the earlier X7 models. However, this time around, it comes equipped with it, so with a bus card, you can conveniently manage the subway directly using just one phone. Let's take a look at the other color options. There are 4 colors, and this one is white. This particular one is known as the Silk Road Eastern Emperor, featuring a texture reminiscent of bark. This specific version leans slightly towards a silver hue, which is undeniably a very appealing color. Let's observe if anyone finds it to their liking. Bye.
you